How to enable or disable Hidden Mobile Hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down, then tap on connections. After that, we scroll down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then tap on mobile hotspot. After that, we scroll down and in here tap on ban, then tap on advanced. From here, we then go down and tap on hidden network. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here, if you turn it on, your mobile hotspot's name won't appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Otherwise, you can switch it off. Then tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.